Hey guys, I said don't throw it. Hey guys, today, I just decided to make this video because we found a hacker in the server. His name is MyTechIsItch, not the B word itch, like my butt itch. See, he just got it. He got it. You see that, guys? You see that? You see that? You see that, guys? You see that, bro? He hacking. He hacking. He hacking. I'm gonna say, everyone. Report him. Report him. He can. Oh, I said G. He can get banned for a while. He's not admin. You can't admin in this game unless it's a VIP. You can never admin in this unless it's a VIP. Bro, I'm wrecked right now. I'm wrecked. I'm uploading this. I'm playing, bro. Bro, I've seen a lot of hackers, but I thought I was gonna catch the ball, right? Like, it was perfect to me, bro. It was perfect right here. Like, I was right here, and it was perfect to me. I'm about to catch it. Boom! He just jumped in front of me. You don't know how scared I was. I shook. I didn't expect it. Because he just joined the server. Dude. You're on YT right now. You might go to jail. I'm just saying that. Shake the hashtag Roblox jail. Hashtag Roblox jail. Bro, he gonna be like this. He'll be like, hey, let me get some hacks. Get some hacks. That's what he gonna do. I already know that's what he is. But I wanna return it. Anthony, let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get the return. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Alright, let's go. Yay! Yay! I wish you could press a button to attack one and you just don't have to touch the person. I wish you could just press a button like T. Like T. Or if you're on mobile. Pass, bro. Bro, he's not on my side. I'm wide. He's not on my side and I'm wide. I'm going that quad. Oh no, Mr. Hamburger. Stay away, Mr. Hamburger. Stay away. Told you. You got. I can't do it. It was in caps lock. Bro, he wasn't on my side either. I just said, I'm wide. He's not on my side. That's easy. Boom. Number 84. I think I should make my number 1. Like all the time. I'm number 1. Oh, I got kicked. Boom, boom. Okay, I kick is good. Ooh, onside kick. Onside kick. If I'm in the back, I could get it first. I'm not in the back. I'm in the front. Most of the time, I don't get it when I'm in the front. Let's see if I can get it, guys. See if I can get it. Do that. Oh my! I forgot about him. They scored. Oh, they did score. Let's go. I forgot about him. Hello? 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 Is my mic not working? Wait, what? Guys, I don't know what to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. I don't know what we're gonna do about this guy, but we reported him, so I'm assuming he's gonna get banned for just a few days. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And so I have been making a lot of videos. I've been trying, but they haven't been uploading for some reason. And yeah. Wait, somebody's hacking our RT now! Let's go! So no, I'll see you guys next time.